A new twist in the trial of convicted cop killer Markeith Loyd. Prosecutors just filed a motion to remove the judge. It comes after Judge Letitia Marquez decided to allow video showing the moments that Loyd got his eye knocked out to be used in the penalty phase. Last week, he was found guilty of killing Orlando Police Lieutenant Deborah Clayton outside a Walmart back in 2017. Loyd now facing the death penalty. News 6's Nadine Yanis joins us in studio with where the case stands tonight. And Nadine, quite the turn of events today.
Lisa, the judge herself said that she dropped a bomb on the state as she changed her mind on the use of force issue the day before jurors were supposed to be back in court for sentencing. So the state filing a motion today saying that decision left their case, quote, in shambles, and they want the judge to recuse herself altogether. And like you said, this comes hours after the judge ruled that she's actually allowing this helicopter video showing officers surrounding Loyd, kicking and punching him, to be shown to the jury.
I'm struggling to believe that that beating that he took that resulted in the loss of his eye does not form part of Mr. Loyd's thought process now, his character.
It was a surprise about-face from Judge Letitia Marquez Friday, doubled down in a decision today to allow this helicopter video showing officers' use of force during Loyd's arrest to be shown to the jury during his sentencing, which the state, as expressed Friday, feels is unfair to their case for the death penalty.
We do not believe we could get a fair shake in this next penalty phase if this is sprung on us at the last minute.
Officially filing this motion to disqualify Judge Marquez on the case today, alleging the judge made arguments on behalf of Loyd and his defense team.
I don't think that's the term, the way the term
Character may
is
not be the
used.
word that I'm looking for, but at the same time, I'm trying not to make arguments for people.
And the state believes the judge, by doing so, quote, indicates a lack of impartiality on the issue of a death sentence it may be asked to impose. Also arguing the judge, even 2 days before jury selection, said she was going to keep the use of force out of the trial. So prosecutors didn't question the jury to see their opinions on use of force.
It has nothing to do with his guilt, has nothing to do how he should be punished, in my mind.
Sheriff John Mina reacting to the decision to allow this 2-minute helicopter video showing Loyd crawling out as officers surround him, kicking and punching him before the helicopter quickly pans away. The former Orlando police chief highlighting 2 investigations and the state attorney's office cleared all officers of any wrongdoing.
I think I speak for all law enforcement and probably most of the community when they say they really don't care about his injury. They want him to be held responsible for his actions and what he did.
So News 6 reached out to Judge Marquez's office for a comment. No word on what this means now for the case. As of right now, sentencing is set to begin on November 29th. Matt?
Nadine, thank you.